Okay, 8th class social. Okay, good morning everybody. 8th class students, social studies subject. Today we are discussing 11th B chapter Nationalist movement, the last phase. We are discussing about last class 11th B Nationalist movement, the last phase. Gandhi came from South Africa in 1915 to 1947. The period Gandhi the completely concentration of the independent movements. Already last previous class some important movements discussed. First, Gandhi traveling throughout India. Our Indian people ambitions, our Indian people traditions, our Indian people needs, culture, so many things went at Gandhi. Gandhiji, some movements, taking some movements, the small movements, some region movements, the movements is completely successful by Gandhi. Suppose example, Champaran movement, Kheda movement, Ahmedabad textile movement. Today, the 11th B chapter, Nationalist movement, the last phase. Nineteen hundred 47. Gandhiji conducted the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement period 1920 to 1922. It is a very large movement. Why? The movement period, our Indian people, especially Hindu Muslims, united. 1916 Lucknow Pact, our Indian National Congress in Surat Conference 1907 split two groups. Number one, moderate period. Number two, extremist group. The two groups divided. Indian National Congress is split. Divided two groups. 1916, the Lucknow Pact, Lucknow sessions. Indian National Congress leaders, moderates and extremists united. And Hindus and Muslims also united in India. It is a good atmosphere. The time Gandhiji taking some important movements. The important movements, very important movements, major movements, three movements. Number one, non-cooperation. Number two, civil disobedience movement or SALT. Number three, Quit India movement. There are three movements conducted by Gandhi. The movement's main inspiration encourage the nationalist ideas, encourage the freedom ideas in Indian people. All members together join in movements. There is no differences. There is no discrimination. All group of people, such as caste, religion, races, there is no difference. All group of people. Even children's, women's also join in movement. Why the nationalist ideas spread out throughout India? Already previous movements, Vande Mataram movement, Home Rule movement, some incidents there, some incidents also occurred in India, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Khilafat movement, one of the movement, Khilafat movement also conducted by Gandhi. Here, Gandhiji, the main largest movements, mass movements, conducted three movements. One of the movement non-cooperation. Non-cooperation means there is no cooperated Britishers. Or Indian people or Indians, there is no with the British goods. I mean, avoid the British goods, avoid the British industries, encourage the Indian industries, encourage the Indian goods. At the same time, foreign goods provided and foreign goods also born in particular centers, particular coal roads join the centers. Our Indian people completely. There is no regional, there is no caste, religion. All groups throughout India, the Indians join the non-group. It is the very inspiration movement. It is a very important movement. It is the largest movement. It is the mass movement. The movement main motto, Gandhiji main motto, main principle, non-violence. I mean ahimsa. There is no violence. There is no harassment. There is no touch. Only the movement and a peaceful method. I mean democratic method. Who are the Britishers? The Britisher ruling is completely against the Indians. Our Indian people suffered of the British government. British ruling is completely against the Indian people. British philosophy, British principles also completely only supported by the Britishers. Here, our Indian people suffered from Britishers. Our Indian leaders, very educators, very intelligent. The people is completely support the movement. All regions throughout India mean now India there before independent our India, Pakistan, India and Bangladesh. Nowadays Bangladesh and Pakistan separate countries. Three countries is also called Indian subcontinent, Before independent, three countries is one country, India. Three regions. The people support the Indian leaders, support the freedom movement, support the non-cooperation. All regions, different areas, different regions, the regional level leaders join the movement. All areas, all religions, all regions, the people, the regional leaders also joining movement. Suppose our in Andhra Pradesh. Our Andhra Pradesh also some important leaders joining movement. Some important leaders, our Andhra Pradesh freedom fighters, Pattabi, Sitaramaya. విగ్రహాల గోపాలకృష్ణయ్య, టంగుటూరి ప్రకాశం, అయ్యదేవర, కాళేశ్వరరావు. Some leaders name. The leaders join non-cooperation. The movement is spread out throughout India. Suppose some movements there, some movements occur in India. The movements only spread to particular region, particular place, not throughout India. Why? All group of people support the non-cooperation. It is inspiration. It is the motivation. It is the support of freedom movement. It is the support of Gandhiji. It is the support of Indian National Congress. Support of Gandhi philosophy. Gandhi philosophy, Satyagraha, Ahimsa, I mean non-violence methods. So many intellectuals, intelligence, educators, well-educators, higher educated people about the movement, even common people, all people. The people marching roads, centers. Here, our freedom movement, non-cooperation movement is very rise in India. People crowd all regions, all areas. British government need and want the movements is completely suppressed. How to suppress the non-cooperation movement? The British government need. The British government think. Nationalist leaders, Gandhi and others, some important leaders. Really, it is the mass movement. The movement conducted by people. Particular Gandhi and other leaders. It is the movement led by people. Movement led by people. That's why it is the mass movement. The first largest movement, non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement period 1920 to 1922. The period, the movement is very spread. The time our Indian agitators, protesters, Gandhi followers joined the movement. The time the Gandhi philosophy, what is the Gandhi philosophy? Non-violence, Satyagraha, I mean Ahimsa. Some educators, some protesters joined the movement in Uttar Pradesh state. The region is Chauri Chaura region. The Chauri Chaura region, the region people joined the movement. Some agitators, some people follow the violence method. Violence method means the people, Chauri Chaura, it is the one of the place. Why? The Chauri Chaura, one of the place means one of the important police station there. The protesters or agitators, some violence method follow. Violence method means the people bomb the police station. Is completely In police station, 23 policemen killed by agitators. Meaning completely the doors closed by the agitators and on the police station. The incident is spread out India. Gandhi philosophy, Gandhi principle, what is the important principle? Ahimsa, non-violence, satyagraha. The situation, the incident is violence incident. The policemen killed by the agitators, non-cooperation movement period. The incident occurred in 1922. After Gandhiji immediately stopped the non-cooperation movement. Immediately stopped the non-cooperation. Why? Gandhiji is not accept the movement. Continuation act. Why the incident is very Gandhiji's sorrow. Feel the sorrow. After the movement is completely stopped by the Indian National Congress and Gandhiji, main Gandhi. The movement spread out throughout India against the British government. When did the Gandhiji stop the movement? Some important leaders against the Gandhiji decision. Why? The movement spread out throughout Indian nationalist ideas. Only one incident, the violence incident, and stopped by Gandhiji. The movement, the leaders against the Gandhiji decision. After non-cooperation movement, there is no important largest or mass movements not having in India. Some leaders mean Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, the important leaders who established the Swaraj Party. Swaraj Party is the main active after non-cooperation movement. British government arrested with some important leaders in Gandhi. Gandhi also arrested, imprisonment. Some years imprisonment. Some important leaders arrested by the British government. That time there is no movements in India. Swaraj Party is active in India. Freedom movement. Swaraj Party also not influence or Indian people, only some areas, some regions. That's all. C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru, and etc. The people start the Swaraj movement, Swaraj Party. Non-cooperation movement main motto, main result of the non-cooperation movement, the movement will spread out nationalist ideas in Indian people. All group of people join the non-cooperation movement. The movement is the important why the Indian people join the movement throughout in all regions, all places. The regional leaders also join the movement. The movement is spread out through. Fastly, speedily. Here, our non-cooperation movement period 1922, the movement is completely stopped. movement, important movement, civil disobedience. Civil disobedience. Also, salt movement. The movement started in 1930, 30 to 33, 34 years. The period means start year 1930. 20 to 30 time, there is 8 years. There is no important large movements occurred in India. Why? Many important leaders arrested by the British government, the leaders and jails. Gandhiji and etc. important leaders. After leader Gandhi, another important mass movement conducted. The movement named Civil Disobedience movement is also SALT movement. The movement importance in next class discuss. Today only non-cooperation movement importance discussed there. Today a class students homework there. What is the result of the non-cooperation movement? Non-cooperation ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మీరు వీడియోని రైట్ చెక్ చేస్తాను. 8th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి నాన్ కోఆపరేషన్ మూవ్మెంట్ గురించి మీరు జస్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో కూడా నాన్ కోఆపరేషన్ గురించి కొంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చాను. టుడే ద మూవ్మెంట్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ డిస్కస్ సివిల్ డిsobedience మూవ్మెంట్. టుడే నాన్ కోఆపరేషన్ మూవ్మెంట్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ తెలుసు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఓకే, 8th class students today topic. Nada.
లేదు సార్.
క్లోజ్ చేశాను.